Did you know that a Whopper, Burger King's iconic burger, costs less than $5? But today, we're not just talking about any Whopper. We're talking about a $1 million Whopper. Yes, a burger that costs a staggering $1 million. So you might be wondering, how could a burger possibly cost that much? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a journey into the world of luxury ingredients and culinary craftsmanship that goes into making this $1 million Whopper. The first step in creating this $1 million marvel is the beef. However, this isn't your average ground beef. This is Japanese Wagyu beef, the most expensive beef in the world, known for its rich, marbling, and melt-in-your-mouth texture. A single pound of this delicacy can set you back up to $300. Next up is the cheese. And again, this is no ordinary cheese. We're talking about puli cheese from Serbia, made from the milk of Balkan donkeys. It's considered the world's most expensive cheese, with a price tag that can reach over $500 per pound. Then we have the bun. A simple white flour bun won't cut it for a $1 million Whopper. Instead, we use a bun dusted with 24-karat gold. Yes, actual gold. Edible gold is a luxury item often used in gourmet cooking and can cost up to $100 per gram. Of course, a Whopper isn't a Whopper without the toppings. For this $1 million burger, we use white truffles, one of the most expensive foods in the world, costing up to $2,000 per pound. And let's not forget about the caviar. We're talking about Almas caviar, the world's most expensive caviar, which can cost up to $25,000 per kilogram. Finally, the sauce. Instead of the usual ketchup, we use a sauce made from Kopi Luwak coffee beans. These beans are the most expensive coffee beans in the world, as they are sourced from the droppings of a civet, a cat-like creature found in Southeast Asia. To summarize, the $1 million Whopper is a culinary masterpiece made from some of the world's most expensive and luxurious ingredients. It starts with a patty of Japanese Wagyu beef, topped with poulet cheese, white truffles, and Almas caviar, all nestled in a bun dusted with 24-karat gold. The burger is then finished with a sauce made from Kopi Luwak coffee beans. This isn't just a burger, it's a symbol of luxury and indulgence. It's a testament to the lengths that gourmet chefs will go to create the ultimate dining experience. And while it may not be something you'd order on a regular trip to Burger King, it's certainly a fascinating look into the world of gourmet cooking. In the end, the $1 million Whopper isn't about the cost, but about the experience. It's a burger that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in culinary artistry. And who knows, maybe one day we'll see a Whopper that's even more extravagant. Until then, we'll just have to marvel at the $1 million